Here's another video. I've got the Surron Light B, which I'm replacing the throttle, and you can see I've got to replace the back tyre because it's bald. Okay, I've started to dismantle the throttle and just put the bike upside down because I need to get into this panel here. It's just 4 Allen key head nuts, and then the panel just lifts up like so. Drop one of the fixing nuts, but I'll fit that back later. And then inside here, just beyond these wires, there's a pouch, and just got this secured with a cable tie, which I've just got up there. And now I'm able to open the pouch because the connector for the throttle is inside here. So here you can see I'm just trying to retrieve it or find it. Go on the other side and see. Here you can see I've got the old throttle on the floor here. I've undone it from the handlebar, and I'm just trying to trace it back to this panel to where it's connected. And all I've got to do now is undo. There's a couple of cable ties along the side of the frame, which I'm undoing here. And you can see I'm just trying to find a precise wire. There's about 5 connectors inside here. Obviously I'm looking for the throttle connector, which I've managed to find here. Yep, that's the right one. That's the connection I'm looking for. Okay, so what I've got to do now, I've found the right connector and pulled it out of the pouch, is disconnect it. Just press this side clip in and it should just come away. Like so. That's the connector. And then I'm just going to pull this back through the frame. Feed a new one through. As you can see me doing here. Okay, I have to undo this bracket because it's in the way. Let me just undo that. So I can feed the old cable, throttle cable, out. As you can see there. Just get plugged and just trying to feed it through. Okay, as you see here, I've got this is the old cable, throttle cable, and then you just get the actual throttle itself on the floor here somewhere. Untangle it. There's your throttle, which I've removed, and it's just a matter of fitting the new one. That's the old one. Just chuck that to one side for a minute. Okay, this is a new throttle with a gold taper grip, which I'll have to adjust later. It's just 2 Allen keys which hold it in place, hold it onto the handlebar. And this is the plug, so I'm just going to put a couple of drops of oil in there just so it gets makes a good contact. So I'll put a drop of oil in these 3 connectors here, as you see there, close up there, and it's just a matter of plugging it in. I've disconnected the old one, and now that that's plugged in, it's just a matter of tucking the wires back into the pouch, feeding it neatly through the frame, through the bike frame. You see there, and here you can see me just putting the cable tie back onto the pouch just to seal it, as I cut the old one off before. Just putting the white cable tie on here, zip tie, so it doesn't get, so the connections don't get wet. And just, like I said, just feeding the wires neatly through the frame, through the machine. Just put this bolt which I removed, Allen key bolt which I removed earlier, and I've got a couple more to fit along the side, which I'm doing now. And then now that's just put this cover back on, I'll retrieve the nuts that fell off earlier. This is 4 nuts. Clamp onto this motor connector. It's just about lining that up and refitting the bolts, which are removed. The Allen key head bolts, you can see there. Just tightening them up. And just flip this pipe back up. Now that I've finished under here. You can see the throttle dangling, the new one. Okay, let me just explain here. What I've got to do now, I'm fitting a new handlebar. And then I'll get the throttle to it, but I'm going to do this lively. I'll speed this section up. You can see me replacing removing all the controls off the old handlebar. And once I've got all the gear off, it's just a matter of fitting a new handlebar, as you can see there, and reapplying the brakes, controllers, and then you're just going to see me fit the lights there, and the brakes, and the new throttle. Okay, this is the unit complete, as you can see. Fitted a new handlebar and the throttle, as well as a grip on the other side. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.